Spanworms, also commonly known as inchworms, are larvae of geometer moths. These caterpillars are aggressive feeders that eat a wide variety of vegetation. When left untreated, spanworms can cause major defoliation, endangering the health of any plants on your property. In this video, we'll go over how to identify spanworms, how to control an outbreak, and how to prevent infestations in the future. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Alternate names for spanworms include inchworms, measuringworms, and cankerworms. When fully grown, these caterpillars can reach up to 2 inches in length. Their body colors primarily include brown, green, and yellow. They can also have spots, stripes, or other distinctive markings. The simplest way to differentiate spanworms from other caterpillars is to observe their movement. Unlike other caterpillars that crawl, spanworms or inchworms curl the ends of their bodies and extend, creating an inching motion. At maturity, spanworms become geometer moths. These moths have slender bodies that grow up to 1 inch in length. The wings are powdery white and may feature intricate wavy patterns. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Spanworms are found on a wide variety of trees and shrubs. Different species may target specific plants. Common targets include maple trees, oak trees, birch trees, cherry trees, elms, willows, poplars, snow bushes, and witch hazel. Starting in June, spanworms will emerge and begin to feed on foliage. Some species will emerge and become active as late as December. Most spanworms will feed at night. During the day, they'll hide in rolled up leaves or cling to plant stems towards the base of the plant. After identifying your pest and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. Before applying chemical treatment, start by pruning away infested plant parts. This will remove some pests while encouraging plant recovery and new growth. To control spanworms, apply an insecticide like D-Fense SC. D-Fense SC is a deltamethrin-based insecticide concentrate that will control pests for up to 3 months after application. This product is a liquid concentrate, so it will need to be mixed with water. For residential applications in trees and in shrubs, you can use the Solutions electric backpack sprayer or the Solutions hose end sprayer. Apply the labeled rate of 4 to 8 fluid ounces of product per 100 gallons of water. This can be broken down to about 1 to 2.3 milliliters per 1 gallon of water. Spray all foliage to the point of wet but not runoff. Spray low shrubbery and ornamentals from above and below to coat all leaf surfaces. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. The best thing you can do to prevent reinfestation is to improve and maintain your plant's health. Regularly prune back overgrown or damaged limbs and keep trees well watered. We recommend you use Solutions tree watering bags. The Solutions tree watering bag is a slow-release watering bag designed to deliver 8 to 10 hours of continuous watering with up to 20 gallons of irrigation. For newly planted or established trees that are 1 to 8 inches in trunk diameter and the branches are 25 inches off the ground, we recommend 1 or 2 tree watering bags. Zip 2 bags together for trees 4 to 8 inches in diameter. Finally, keep up with preventive applications of your pesticide products. 1 application of D-Fense SC will last for up to 3 months, so we recommend quarterly applications to maintain protection year-round. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop spanworms from breaking out, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.